Welcome to Epic Learning's Heartbeat with the World, Volume 76. Hey, Nat, how's things?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. Summer's well and truly here. It's cooking here, and I don't know why my light's on because it's bright as heck here. Every week we get together to discuss our wins of the week. Today it's me and Nat. So Nat, what's your win of the week?
Win of the week for me this week, I've sort of, this has been going on for a wee while, but I'm starting to really see the benefits of it. I've been maybe just doing a bit of an audit on my daily habits, how I'm spending my spare time, things that are making me happy and things that are making me not happy. And I've just sort of tried to be a bit more mindful about it. And just starting to see a little less time sort of being unproductive on the phone or just mucking around. I'm organising exercise at the start of the week and making sure that I sort of stick to my commitments and just getting the most out of my time and the most out of my brain power, I guess, each day. And I've just been, it's also summer, so it's real easy because you've got daylight for so much longer.
Those long days, because you always feel like you can sneak something else in there at the end of your day. It's just light.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So coming back from a break and feeling really refreshed and just getting really motivated for 2020, I guess, is my win. So long may it continue. We were just joking about how these might be, we'll have to look back on these in a couple of months and see how kind of positive we still are.
Are you still doing this, Future Nat? Are you playing with your phone right now, Future Nat?
We'll see. But, start how you want to continue. So, yeah. How about you? What's your win of the week this week?
My win of the week is, in our previous video, we talked about kind of focuses this year around being more creative. And I've been working on my kids' book about my cat Gizmo. And, I'm loving it. And it's similar to what we do, but is radically different. So it's quite interesting learning about there's a lot of actual technique goes into writing children's books. I've been reading up a whole lot of it and trying to figure out what demographic I'm going to be writing for and kind of the different writing styles and like how you actually make these books come to life and how you do it. Even looked at some really bad ones like social propaganda ones about how gun laws are, how important the Second Amendment gun laws are in America. It's like, it's an appropriate kids book, but it's just interesting seeing all the variety out there. So I'm having a ball with it actually.
Nice.
Yes.
So when are we going to see it hit the shelves? Have you made a commitment to yourself yet? Yeah.
Well, I've actually got pretty much mapped out the first story. What I'm trying to figure out is the platform and how I'm gonna develop it. So I might actually just make multi versions of the book from different platforms. So I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm looking for artists, cheap, free artists to help me develop it. So, but I've pretty much got the story mapped out, and Gizmo's First Adventure's coming along. So
nice.
I would like to say before. Something to show you guys.
Yeah.
My birthday. So, and 4 heartbeats with the world's away.
Nice. I was expecting you to give me a big long, maybe 6 to 12 heartbeats with the world's away.
No. We're counting 4. So, heartbeat with the world.
Volume 80.
Edition. Gizmo edition.
All right.
Yeah. So it'll be in the state where I consider it finished. I might need to be doing some polish or some graphics or whatever, but everything will be there. Really.
Yeah, something to share. Yeah, that'd be awesome. All right, there we go. We've got something to look forward to.
I should have made you commit to start sharing your phone use logs or whatever.
I might make. I've been doing my data course, so I might make some graphs on my phone on my increased productivity for everyone to share. Yeah.
Very cool. Well, let's wrap it up. We'll see you guys next week, and have a good one. If you want to join us, you know what to do. See you, everyone.